Managing PR and comms across Europe can be complicated. Different markets, different cultures, different agencies. When you need to move fast, siloed execution slows you down. Tyto's PR Without Borders is the smarter alternative. One team, one strategy, one story across the region. PR Without Borders is Tyto's unified approach to building and protecting your brand in Europe. We replace multi-agency complexity with one integrated team built for global technology companies, delivering consistency, speed, and predictable impact. Driven by senior leaders who stay actively involved and embedded in your business. Tyto gives you the flexibility to shift budgets and scale programs, expanding into new markets, increasing activity, and adding services as needed. With Tyto's one-team approach, your message stays consistent in every market. Insights are shared in real time and harnessed everywhere. That drives consistent execution and measurable impact. PR Without Borders removes the hidden inefficiencies in multi-market PR, typically unlocking 30% more value from your existing budget. For the smarter, more flexible way to manage communications in Europe, discover PR Without Borders and join the growing community of global technology leaders partnering with Tyto.